morning, friends. This is Teacher Yavanna, and I have a special book to read to you today. It's a short book, but I think it's a good book. It has a really nice message. It is called Black Cat and White Cat by Claire Garralon. Black Cat and White Cat by Claire Garralon. Black Cat lives in a White House. Black cats in white houses. White cat lives in a black house. White cats in black houses. And here they are, a little kitty neighborhood. One day, black cat and white cat decide to meet. Black cat visits white cat and whoosh, he disappears. Oh my, what happened to black cat? Oh. So white cat visits black cat and whoosh, he disappears. Oh my, silly kitties. It is perfect for hiding. But it makes it hard to play together. To see each other, they need to find another place. A place where they can meet that's not too black or too white. A colorful place to have lots of fun. So that was Black Cat and White Cat. What did you guys think? I really like this book. I like how at the end, even though the two cats were very different, they were able to find a way to play together in a place that was special just for them. Now, I know right now it's kind of hard to play with your friends. It won't always be that way, don't worry. But when you do play with your friends, it can be really complicated because you guys might have different ideas of how to play or where to play or what to play. Sometimes you have to find that special place where all of your ideas work. So that was Black Cat and White Cat, and I hope you all enjoyed the story, and I hope that I'll get to see you all again really soon. Until next week.